If this video helps you, please like and subscribe at the end. It means a ton to me. This is a quick guide on how to download and use Donk's CS2 config. Want to play like the young rifler phenom from Team Spirit who's tearing up majors? I will show you how to download and use his config in this video. Here's how. First, fire up your browser and head to prosettings.net/players/donk. Scroll down, find the left side menu, and click Config. It's right there with his mouse, video, and other pro details. Hit the download button to snag the autoexec.cfg file. Now, drop it in your game, right-click CS2 in Steam, go to Properties, then Installed Files, and click Browse. Head into game/csgo/cfg. That's the spot. Paste the autoexec.cfg there, and if it wants to overwrite, back up your old file just in case. One more thing. Right-click CS2 again, hit Properties, go to General, and in Launch Options, type +exec autoexec.cfg. Fire up the game, and Donk's config loads. Thanks for watching.